Straight ahead for the buoy. There's Chautauqua. Whoa, they're off to a good lead. The Redneck Princess, she's turning around the corner. Oh, we lost a boat. The kids fell in the Audrey Jean. That's all right, girls. Get back in. Come on. Come on, girls. Get back in that boat. The Chautauqua is taking off very quickly here. Redneck Princess is right behind. Unsinkable is third. Come on, girls. Get in that boat. You can do it. Get on top of the boat.
As long as the boat doesn't get on top of them.
Yeah, okay. I love it.
And one gal's in the boat. Now it's really going over.
Come on, kids, to the buoy. Right this way. Right this way. You're doing it. Woohoo! Swim that boat right around that buoy. Where's my Redneck Princess? There you are, kids. Come on, you can do this.
Yeah, that's her over there. I see her.
Come on, guys.
Paddle this way. Come on, you can do it. The other way, paddle this way.
Chautauqua has made it back to the field dock. Don't give up, guys. Come on now. The boys are headed that way. We've got Redneck Princess, and we have got Unsinkable, who has swam her boat. I'm sorry, the Audrey Jean. I beg your pardon. Audrey Jean. Everybody be yelled for that girl right there, because she has swam that boat to that buoy. Way to go, girl. Come on, Redneck Princess. You're fine. Go around the other way. You're fine. There we go. Redneck Princess is on her way back to the fuel dock. Way to go, gang. Look at the Redneck Princess. They sure got it now. That's amazing. Come on, Audrey Jean. You're almost there. Cheer on, folks. Redneck Princess has reached the finish line, and Audrey Jean is almost there. Somebody just fell in the water.
Yeah, I think it was.
Audrey Jean swam her boat all the way through the harbor, all the way around the buoy, and all the way back to the finish line. I don't think many of our adults could do that. Come on, guys. Come on, captains. Captain those boats, adults. Get those kids to the buoy. Show them how it's done. Cheer them on, folks. They have rounded the buoy, and they're making their way back to the fuel dock. Right behind them back to the fuel dock. Swamp Stalkers made it back to the fuel dock. SS Minnow is right on their tail. The Redneck girls are headed in. No Name Boat, come on, guys. You can do it. Guys, you can do this. Swamp Stalker, don't give up. Don't give up. Redneck Princess and the boat. Come on, Swamp Stalker, you can do this. Uh-oh. We have a traffic jam. Guys, girls, come on. That's it, get in there! He's back in the boat and they're going for the finish. Oh, and the Redneck Princesses. Oh, clip the buoy. There we go. Maybe right around and help you. Where's one? That's it, guys. You're almost there. Paddle that boat. Here we go. SS Minnow. Here they go. Guys, are you rounding it? Come on, kids. Right around this way. SS Minnow has made it back. They're there. They have made it to the finish line. Thank you guys, everybody that participated in the cardboard boat races. How brave, how amazing. Thank you all. Scott, thank you for manning the fuel dock. Sarah, thank you for taking care of everybody. Sindra, thank you for taking care of everything over there. And we invite everybody up to our house, the Boathouse, that is. Prizes, awards, giveaways, shot specials. Ooh, is that look good? No, I'm posing for Daryl. Are you hungry? Because Chef Nick has cooked up something really good this evening for dinner.